Hello, in this video I'd like to do an unboxing and a review of a Topdon TopScan which was delivered to me just today. I must stress that this has been sent to me free of charge from Topdon in order to do these reviews and to do some testing. It is also a prototype, a little bit more than the prototype. It's not quite the released version yet. It is not up to the release to the general public, as it's just been sent to me and a few other people. So as you can see, it's fairly well packaged. So it does only come today. It's obviously a scanner for the car. Now I have two cars which I'm going to scan it on. I have my car, which is a Mercedes E-Class 350 2016, which is a diesel. And there's my wife, who's got an Audi e-tron. So inside is obviously the device itself. Here's the box. I'll let you have a look at either side, and so you can have a quick read. It's got the information on there. It's connected by Bluetooth, and you connect it into your OBD port, which is generally underneath the driver's wheel, underneath the steering wheel on the driver's side. I don't know if the release box is going to come like this, or if this is just for this one that's been delivered to testers like yourself. So inside the box we have the unit itself, which is packaged in a foam, so it's nice and secure. I'll probably actually keep it in there because it looks like it's quite safe. Now it's made from plastic, but it does actually feel quite strong, quite robust. So you've got the box, the device itself, with obviously the brand, the name of it, TopScan, which is by Topdon. I've got an instruction booklet, connected by Bluetooth to the phone. But at the moment I'm going to be connecting it to my iPad because I'm using my phone to video this review. So there's the instructions on there. You have to create an account, of course, with Topdon. I've done this already to try and save a little bit of time. Now, from what I gather, it does have a USB-C connect on there, so you can connect it. It does have three lights by looking at the things. Looks like that one is turned right up. Power, Bluetooth, and a picture of a car, so again that's to show it's connected to the vehicle. So I'll move these out of the way. Put my iPad into it. Right, sorry about that, back again. My dog just started barking, thought there was somebody at the door. It's obviously because I'm talking to myself doing this. Remember my password. So to connect it, I'm going to connect it via the USB, and we'll see what happens. So we've got red light to show power, and I presume we're going to Bluetooth to show it's on. It's only finding one device, which I'm hoping it will be that one. Yep, that seems to match the number. Connect to that. Right, and that appears to be in. So let me have a quick look. Yep, so it has the blue light on for the Bluetooth and the red light for the power. The green light is flashing, so that light's flashing green because it's obviously not connected to the car at the moment. So again, I don't think any of these will work because it's not connected to the car at the moment. presume. So I'll go to my, no, I'll check, I don't know if it's going to be under Benz or Mercedes. It's under Benz. So you've got GL350 there, but I presume if I connect it to my car, it'll automatically download, which I'll do in the next video. Like I say, you can see it's got all these cars from Abarth, which obviously Fiat 500, all the way through. I'll scroll slowly so you can pause it if you wish to have a look. It's got many makes I've never heard of, obviously from different countries. I'm sorry if I'm going too fast. Right, let's see, this is just going on forever, so I will pause the video here, and my next video will hopefully be of me testing it in my car and seeing what it can do. Right, so this was sent me free of charge, and as I say, it is only a one sent out to people to demonstrate and to test, obviously check for errors, etc. Well, thank you, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.